At what point does an unpaid hotel bill become a criminal offense? When can law enforcement legally enter an occupied guest room? And when a person shows signs of psychiatric crisis during an arrest, what legal obligations apply? This analysis examines the law, not the incident.
She stayed here yesterday, then she extended her reservation the day before, extended her reservation. We managed to get a payment from her. Then we've tried to get another payment from her, and she's like 100 and, how much is it, 147 or something? 146. She owes. We've called her. She answered the first time, but we told her we'd give her some time to come down if she could bring her credit card. And since then they've been up. Afterwards we've knocked on the door. She locked the door from inside and she will not answer the door. She won't. I've introduced myself twice as the assistant hotel manager. I said, if you don't answer the door or talk to me, I'm going to call the police. I said, and I'm telling you this twice. I said, I'm going to give you some time to come down or else I'm calling the police.
So, for Bodycam, she's already been, like, you're refusing to let her stay anymore, let her pay or anything. She's already been kicked out. She's essentially trespassing.
Well, she hasn't been kicked out because she's still got to pay for her next day, which is last night. She's got to pay for last night. So she paid for her first night, but she has not, her card's declining for the second night. And we've called her and asked her several times to come down.
Has she said anything back to you?
When I first went up there, she said, okay, we'll call in 15 minutes. So I went back down and waited 20 minutes back. She didn't say nothing. So I was going to open the door, but I came in and got one of those. Then I was going to do it, but she locked it. So we can't open it.
So you're not refusing her service, you just want payment right now?
We just need payment from her, yes.
Okay.
That kind of,
Because her card is declining. So why?
That kind of ties our hands a little bit.
Okay.
because if you're refusing her service, we can, knock on the door, and if she doesn't want to come out, we can get her out.
Well, if she's not prepared to pay for last night, then she needs to leave the premises.
Yeah, that's what I'm asking. That's not our decision. That's y'all's decision. If she's getting the boot, or is she just? Are we just here to?
Give me 1 second, because I was actually on the phone with my GM. So give me a second, yeah.
Gotcha. Yeah, so if she's not technically kicked out, we can't go in there and kick her out.
I got you.
So Bill says he wants her out, but he doesn't want her thrown in jail. So I don't know how that works.
It's not really how that works.
I know. That's what I'm.
If we have to go in and get her, she's going to
If you're
jail.
wanting us to remove her, the only option she's going to have is an
You've
arrest.
got a job.
If you don't want to do that, then it's tricky.
Okay, well, maybe.
What we can do.
I tried to scare her by saying I'm going to call the cops, and I said it very clearly. I said, I'm going to call the police if you do not answer this door. And I said it to her twice, and there was just radio silence. We can't get hold of her on the phone either. I think she's pulled the plug out of the wall.
We can always go try to talk to her, see if she'll answer for us. She does carry a big walking stick, a big wooden walking stick, so if we do have to go in there, just be wary of that.
I don't know. I haven't seen her.
How do you get past the latch on the door being locked?
We're going to have to, we have to use one of these big wire things that go down the back of the door, goes into the door, then it unhooks it.
Okay.
It's a bit of a mission.
We can essentially try to make contact with her. She'll come to the door for us and talk to us, just checking her welfare type stuff.
Let's try and see if we can make contact with her and find out if she's okay and she hasn't done something stupid in the last hour. I guess we can make that decision afterwards.
Yeah, I was going to say, it doesn't have to be a right now thing for sure.
Let's go see what's up. Airport police. Airport police. Open up for us. Open up for us. I don't hear anything. Airport police. I don't hear anything.
You want to try this card?
Sure.
She had it locked at first. Just put it in there.
Is she... Have we made the decision to kick her out yet, or what?
At this point,
No, there ain't no way she ran out.
I thought she had ran out too, but she
Right. It went to the bottom level and left it in there.
I was watching the door. No, it's not working. Let's go to turn green again. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's got a lot.
So if she locks it from the inside, that's going to be yellow.
Oh, so it's a deadbolt lock, is what you're saying. Oh, okay.
More police, come talk to us, please.
Come on, open up the door. We just want to talk to you, see what's going on. Let's do this peacefully. All right, Mr. Last chance before we got to come in there. You want to come out and talk to us, do this peacefully? I can open that.
Perfect.
I'm going to hand you this key before I go in real quick.
Big wooden walking stick.
You want to do it? I think he locked it again. Come on out.
I got Taser.
Hey, show me your hands. Show me your hands. Back away from the door.
Is it
Back
checkout?
up.
Away from the door.
Back up.
Back away from the door.
Is it checkout time?
Back up. They've already kicked you out.
Back up. Hey, move this. Hey, back up. Back up. Back up. Back up. Back up. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around. Don't relax. Don't resist. I don't understand you. Hold on, let me lock these so they don't tighten up.
Walking stick I was talking about.
Where you get some shoes on? You got any shoes? Let's get these little. Okay, let's put these on. I don't know what you're saying, but we're gonna walk out here.
What about my stuff?
Do what? You don't want to speak English to me? You spoke English when I opened the door.
What about my stuff? That's what I'm asking about.
Why aren't you speaking to me in English?
Stop Excuse me, I'm not resisting. I was just asking if I could sit down.
Okay.
You see that, where is it at? My staff that was at the door, I usually walk with it, so
Okay.
I'm not contained to it right now, so I'd like to sit
If you'd
down.
like to
That's
sit
why I
down,
have-
then just-
I'm not speaking to you, I'm speaking to this officer, Officer Bass.
Yeah, let's
That's
sit
why I'm
down.
speaking to because he's respectful, colonizer, okay?
Let's sit down.
So,
Let's sit down.
that's why I was Bavoga, Abavone. Colonizers, fire and brimstone. Fire and brimstone, colonizers.
Hey, man,
Yes, sir.
is there any of this stuff that you want that needs to go with you downtown?
Yes. There is.
I'm saying anything on the floor.
Well, I would like to take all my stuff, but
But
are
they're
you-
not gonna take everything at the jail. So I'm just trying
well, what about my clothes and stuff? What are they gonna throw them away?
no, we'll put it in evidence.
Oh, okay, that's cool.
Yeah.
And it'll be held, and then I go pick it up later.
You can come pick it up from our station.
Okay, bet. It's
Alfred?
gonna be.
passport.
I'm only gonna speak to Officer Bass, colonizers. So
passport.
I'm letting you know I'm communicating. That's what Martians do. Okay. So colonizer, I will not speak to you, but I will respect your presence here.
I appreciate that.
And your services. All right, because you're a service member. You hear me? All right, cool. He asked me what needs to go with me. I have 1 dose of testosterone over there left.
Okay.
It's my medicine that needs to come with us.
Okay.
The jail will have to administer that to me because that's my medicine. Yes.
We'll put it in here.
What did I just say? What did I just say, colonizer? I said Bass. Officer Bass is the only officer I'm going to correspond with, correct? Didn't I just say that? Correct, right, service members? Okay,
Mr.
cool. And he asked me what stuff I need. And you're colonizing on what he asked me, okay? So chill out
Hey, Mr. Nigga.
and let me answer his question with my consciousness, please.
We're gonna have to take
Close.
that off you. Okay.
What?
The
my strap.
Yeah.
Well, let's do that at the jail. Let me put clothes on. I wear this all.
Yeah, you can. Yeah, they'll just take that off of you at the jail.
Yeah. So that means I need to be uncomfortable to put clothes on, unless you're gonna dress me.
You can go like that. We'll take a jacket with you. Put the jacket in here.
Okay. Yes.
Hey. So we're gonna have to take that. We'll put it in the bag, but we gotta take your.
Okay.
Off of you. Okay. So I'm gonna just pull it from over your head, right?
Well, can we wait on this?
Well,
okay.
You gotta take it off.
That's fine.
All right.
I just wrapped it on my waist.
Okay.
You got it?
Yep.
Yeah, trust me, I've had it all over my body like Grim Reaper, because I'm the Grim Reaper.
Copper?
Yes, sir. Energizing. It has a purpose. I am God. Bow down, colonizers. Correct. Pokemon cards, yes. Right. I'm aware.
And you got some money in there, okay?
Yes.
You want me to count it in front of you?
It's all right. You're not a thief, are you?
No.
Okay, then.
All right, so what we'll have to do with you guys is we'll have to have you guys kind of go through the room as well, determine if she broke anything. The dresser, I'll have to look at vandalism and the statute there. We'll also probably have to just talk to the commissioner. Since she kind of forced the situation, I'm tempted to charge her with vandalism for that alone. I don't know how a commissioner's going to look at that, though, frankly. There's a little research need done there. But, like, if she disconnected the phone, anything else you guys see, knowing that it's not how the room should be, we'll go from there on that as well.
What about this baby oil?
Please. You said a baby?
Baby oil.
Oh, baby oil. Yeah, I got that from Egypt.
Okay.
I mean, really, I could pack up all my stuff and put it in a little knapsack.
Yeah, unfortunately, we have to keep you in the cuffs right now.
Okay, that's the process, the protocol.
Yep. Mm-hmm.
Okay. You see this blanket right here? How I traveled here is I put everything in the middle.
Oh, okay. I got
and
you.
tied it up and then put it on that staff and walked like a little, like a cartoon.
Yeah, that might be too big though. Like they only let you take like this much in. It's like very small.
But you got to pack up my stuff anyway.
Yeah, eventually. But I'm just saying for like what we're bringing with you to the jail.
Oh, okay.
What's most important right now?
Okay, so the baby oil is not that important.
So leave this here?
Yeah.
Just we'll have you guys look through the room, look for vandalism that we also need to prosecute for. She's definitely going to jail for trespassing since we had to force in there and do all that. She'll get the theft of services as well, which is this amount, correct?
It's the 100, yeah.
Okay.
That's the rest we got. We managed to get some of it.
Okay, but not that. Okay.
So what am I charged with?
It's going to be trespassing.
How is it trespassing when I legally obtained the room?
Oh, you didn't pay for last night.
I extended my stay. She didn't tell me when I went to downstairs to extend that I needed to pay.
Well, that's what they were.
That's a lie, man. That's false information.
You mean trespassing?
How is it trespassing? My card is on file.
Well, when we were knocking on the door trying to get you to come out.
Checkout's not till 1 p.m. So I don't have to respond to any calls. Privacy is on the door.
We can only go off of what management is telling us.
Okay, but you can check their records because when I went to work yesterday and I went to the front desk and was like, hey, I need to extend my night for a night.
Right.
She said, okay. So what law was broken?
Well, your payment was declining, so that's why.
I thought that was for the food service.
No, they're saying it's for the room.
Because they didn't give me a total. They tried to charge my card without my authorization.
Well, that's why you got to communicate with them.
Checkout's not till 1 p.m. What do I need to communicate?
Your
if
payment.
I extended the night.
Your payment.
But no. The process and protocol, I went down there, extended for another night, right? So if I needed to pay for the previous night, she should have been like, hey, we need payment, right?
That's what they tried to come up here and do?
No, that's not what they did.
Okay.
Is there a supervisor I may speak to?
Yeah, there's one right out here.
Okay. All right, am I going just like you?
Yep.
Okay. You can lock, yes, there you go, long johns around it, boom. May I tuck it?
What do you mean?
Like pull it behind me and tuck it?
No.
Like this. You can tuck them into the sports bra that's down there if you wish.
No, I'm not going to do that.
Okay.
Watch your step. What's up? I'll grab it. Safety first.
Yes, always, always, always. Appreciate your services, service members.
All right.
Safe travels.
Receipt for the non-payment.
Okay.
Black Panther is me. We'll talk to you forever.
You're seeing it for me.
I was bowing down to this Nigerian god.
I just don't want them to come out.
They're not. That's respect. See, my actions show what my intention is. And I said what it was. And inspection of this infiltration deity of Illuminati. You see, you already know I'm not about to flee or hurt you or harm you, even though I could beat your motherfucking ass and snap your neck and take you out of existence. So you will receive critical correction. That's what I do. Instead of you and taking you out of existence, which I would wish to do. Bitch, the f I look like a goddamn slave? Hell no, bitch. My occupation is programming my matrix. Kendrick Lamar said, the devil is not a liar. I am assistant on God. Bitch, I want sex with myself. I want to make love to myself. Like what? Hi, colonizer. Hi, respect queen.
Are you
What's your nationality? You're Hispanic. What's up?
How'd you know that?
I know everything.
Can you come over here and get up?
I can come.
Okay. Are you able to stand up? That's amazing.
I usually walk with a
You guys
strap.
see your temperature.
May I do this? Actually, no, thank you.
Yeah.
Do not do that. I would like my memory not to be
Are you
erased.
sick, injured?
No, I am not.
Okay.
I refuse that. Please, no, thank you. Men in Black taught us about that. You know, a movie of in Martians. Don't let them put anything to your temple and erase your memory. Okay.
Stoner versus California, 1964. The Supreme Court held that a hotel room carries the same Fourth Amendment protections as a private home. Hotel management cannot waive a guest's constitutional rights on the guest's behalf. Only the guest can authorize entry. That protection dissolves only when lawful occupancy legally ends. The critical question is not whether rent is owed. It is whether valid written or verbal notice of eviction was communicated to the guest before police entered. Without that notice, entry may be unconstitutional regardless of the unpaid balance. Illinois versus Rodriguez, 1990. Third-party consent to police entry is constitutionally valid only when the consenting party holds actual authority over the space at the exact moment consent is given. An innkeeper holds that authority only after the guest's right to occupy has been lawfully terminated. Theft of services requires proof of criminal intent beyond a reasonable doubt. A guest who reasonably believed her card on file would be charged automatically may lack the mens rea the statute demands. A declined card charge alone does not establish intent to steal. That is a high evidentiary bar prosecutors must clear. Graham versus Connor, 1989. The reasonableness of force is evaluated from the perspective of a reasonable officer at the moment of decision. Never in hindsight. 3 governing factors apply: severity of the alleged offense, immediacy of threat to officers or others, and whether the subject was actively resisting. An unpaid hotel bill is a breach of contract. It is a civil matter. It becomes a criminal charge only when the defendant knowingly obtains services while intending not to pay. Civil debt and criminal intent occupy entirely different legal thresholds and require different standards of proof. Statements consistent with acute kyphos or manic episode trigger a legal obligation in many jurisdictions to evaluate mental health diversion before booking. Crisis intervention team protocols exist because incarceration is not always the most proportionate legal response to behavior driven by a psychiatric condition rather than criminal intent. 3 legal lessons. First, civil debt and criminal intent are distinct thresholds that courts treat separately. Second, innkeeper consents to police entry is constitutionally valid only after occupancy legally ends, not merely when payment is disputed. Third, apparent psychiatric distress at the time of arrest creates parallel legal obligations that arrest alone does not satisfy. The charges are filed. The case is pending. But the legal questions remain open. Did the hotel satisfy the notice requirement before calling police? Can prosecutors establish criminal intent beyond a reasonable doubt on a disputed billing transaction? And what does an indictment for attempted first-degree murder connected to this same date? Tell us about what else occurred on January 5th, 2025. The answers are in the record, and the record is not yet closed.